Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We have here with us today Mr. Axel Siepmann, the Managing Director of Braemar Naves and founder of Naves Corporation. Axel, thank you for joining us. Uh, since when has Braemar Naves been active in Greece?
We actually started becoming active in the year of our foundation in 2009, advising a Greek ship owner on a very large charter hire restructuring for a fleet of VLCCs.
What type of mandates have you concluded for Greek clients?
Well, over the years, we've been especially active, during the depths of the crisis in restructuring work. So we're proud to say that we've successfully advised 3 US listed Greek-driven, Greek-owned listed companies. But next to restructuring over the years, we've also helped a lot of Greek ship owners to basically unwind financings with German lenders, buying back their own loans, raising financing on the debt and on the equity side, and including actually also helping Greek owners to get new building projects financed.
Oh, so what are the differences between Greek and other international clients?
Well, as you're all aware, I mean, the particular thing in Greek is the family business with the peculiar structures that are not necessarily corporate structures that create a little bit of a unique financing framework that is well known to the Greek banks, but to some foreign institution, they occasionally struggle, and it needs a little bit of mediation, adjusting, helping to get financing projects done at most competitive rates.
What is your future strategy for the Greek market?
Well, I mean, we've been traveling for so many years to Greece that last year we actually decided that we'll start our own office alongside our shipbroking team. The office is in Glyfada. That will take us closer to our Greek clients. And in terms of product, I would anticipate that will help especially Greek ship owners to get new building project finance that meet the future environmental restrictions, the future environmental framework.
Okay, interesting. Do you see consolidation in the industry?
That is a question we're frequently asked, and my answer is yes and no. It's yes, because no doubt we see consolidation, and in certain areas it makes perfect sense to create businesses that have a certain firepower, a certain strength. But that doesn't mean, and this is why I also say no, that family-owned businesses will not stay there for the next, for the foreseeable future, because they're very successful. They do business differently. And I don't see any need that any small business necessarily has to consolidate. I think it depends very much on in which segment you are, what your strategy is, and what your financing capabilities are. If you're fully equity financed, you can own one ship and have a decent life.
Okay. What do you regard as the financing challenges that the Greek shipping industry will face in the years to come?
Well, that takes me back to the question that you asked, why are we moving to Greece? And indeed, I think one of the challenges will be that environmental regulation in combination with financial regulation could force more and more Greek owners to form corporate structures if they want to grow. If they decide to stay limited in size, it's always possible to finance 1 or 2 ships. But if you look at large fleets, and if you think ahead, in the next few years, we might see a very, very strong fleet renewal program. And for that, size will have, and the way how you do structure your business will play an important role. And I think that is one of the challenges, because some of the family owned businesses might consider to nevertheless adjust their structures a little bit as to tap into those opportunities.
Okay, thank you, Axel. That was brilliant. Thank you very much for joining us.
Despina, thank you very much, and have a good conference.
Soon in Athens.
No doubt, when the lockdown's over, one of the first trips will be to Athens and Piraeus. It was a great pleasure.
Me too.
Hope to see you there. Yeah, see you.
See you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.